Hi guys, good day and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, continuation of our topic about linear equations. And we're going to solve some problems under this topic. So for our first problem, given equation 4 times quantity 6 plus 2x is equal to 0. And we're looking for the value of our variable x. So first step, we're going to divide both sides by 4. So our equation will now become 6 plus 2x is equal to 0 because 0 divided by 4 is equal to 0. Next step, we're going to subtract both sides by 6. 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. So this will be cancelled out. So our equation is equal to 2x equals to negative 6. 2x is equal to negative 6. So to get rid constant coefficient 2, we're going to divide both sides by 2. So the value of x is equal to negative 3. So for our next problem, given equation 4x plus 6 minus 7x plus 9 is equal to 18. And we're looking again for the value of our variable x. So looking at the problem, there are terms that we can combine, such as 4x and 7x. Also this 6 and 9. So our equation will now become 4 minus 7x is equal to negative 3x. 6 plus 9 is equal to 15. So our equation will now become negative 3x plus 15 is equal to 18. So next step, subtracting both sides by 15. So bring down negative 3x. 15 minus 15, 0. 18 minus 15 is equal to 3. So the value of our x, negative 3x is equal to 3. To get rid constant coefficient 3, going to divide both sides by 3. Negative 3. And the value of our x is equal to negative 1. That's the value of our x for this problem. So next problem. So for our next problem, given equation 4 plus 3 times quantity of x plus 2 is equal to 10. So for our first step, we're going to subtract both sides by 4. 4 minus 4, 0. So 3 times quantity of x plus 2 is equal to 10 minus 4 is equal to 6. So next step, dividing both sides by 3 to get rid 3. So x plus 2 is equal to 2. X plus 2 is equal to 2. So next step, we're going to subtract both sides by 2. So our x is equal to 2 minus 2, that is 0. So x will remain. And 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. So our x is equal to 0. So for our next problem, given equation negative 3 plus 3x is equal to negative 2 times quantity of x plus 1. So for our first step, negative 3 plus 3x is equal to, distributing negative 2 in our parentheses, this will become negative 2x because negative 2 times x is equal to negative 2x. Negative 2 times positive 1 is equal to negative 2. So our equation will now become negative 3 plus 3x is equal to negative 2x minus 2. So to get negative 3, we're going to add both sides by 3. So negative 3 plus 3, that is 0. So 3x is equal to negative 2x. Negative 2 plus 3 is equal to 1. So 3x is equal to negative 2x plus 1. So to get rid of negative 2x on our right side, we're going to add both sides by 2x. So our equation will now become 3 plus 2x is equal to 5x equals to negative 2x plus 2x is equal to 0 equals to 1. So our x is equal to, dividing both sides by 5, our x is equal to 1/5 or 1 over 5. That's the answer bar x for this problem. So next problem. So for our last problem, given equation 9x minus 6 is equal to negative 3x plus 30. So for our first step, we're going to add both sides by 6. So our equation will now become 9x, negative 6 plus 6, that is equal to 0. So negative 3x plus 30 plus 6 is equal to 36. And to get rid of negative 3x on our right side of our equation, we're going to add both sides by 3x. 9x plus 3x is equal to 12x equals to negative 3x plus 3x, that is 0. Okay, 12x. 12x is equal to 36. To get rid of constant coefficient 12, we're going to divide both sides by 12. So the value of our x is equal to 3. So that's the answer of our x, our last problem. So that's it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. God bless and tips sa lahat. See you in my next video, God willing.